Okay, so for this question, let's firstly draw a graph for the production curve. So here we have capital per hour worked, and here we have real GDP per hour worked. So in general, what we can see for a production function is this kind of like a curve. So it shows diminishing return to capital. So in the statement, say that the most outstanding characteristic of severe growth strategy is its consistent policy of very high rates of investment, leading to a rapid growth rate of capital stock. So in general, say that because of high investment, the capital grow a lot to very high amount. But because of high investment, we could believe that the technology basically have no improvement, right? So we can believe that the technology is simply a constant. So that means the silver is simply grow on the same production curve. So if the economy growing on the same production curve, originally we know that probably the increase of capital growth will lead to real GDP growth. But later on, especially when the capital grows to a very high level, probably close to infinity, the production curve is becoming flatter and flatter. That means previously, maybe let's say 10 units of capital growth will lead to 1% GDP growth. But now, at the very end, when it's close to infinity, 10 unit capital growth will only lead to 0.00001% GDP growth. That's coming from the diminishing return to capital. So basically means that if there's no technology improvement, increasing only the capital in the production process will actually lead to very little GDP growth. So as a result, it's kind of like a bad thing for the economy.